Hi, this is Ty Hadarali. I'm a plaintiff's lawyer with offices in New Jersey and New York. We concentrate in employment law. I want to talk to you today about a case that came out of the Seventh Circuit Court of Appeals, Mondelez Global versus NLRB. And in that case, a very interesting case that has to do with unionization, which is a hot button item, politically speaking, in today's debate world. And in this case, what happened was Mondelez Global is a manufacturer of baking goods located in Illinois. And what happened is Mondelez took over Kraft Corporation, and they have offices all around the country, one in New Jersey that bakes Ritz crackers, Oreo cookies, etc. What happened was, Mondelez took over Kraft in 2014. In 2016, the collective bargaining agreement expired, and Mondelez and the union tried to negotiate a new collective bargaining agreement, or CBA as it's known, and was unable to reach terms on a new CBA. So what happens next? Well, Mondelez decided, hey, we don't have a union contract. We can do whatever we want. And they started to change the terms and conditions of employment without in any way discussing this matter with the union. They also, when it came to new hires, normally the union was allowed to meet with new hires during orientation without management. They changed that and said, well, now management is going to sit in on those meetings. Then on top of that, they did an investigation overtime, and just coincidentally, the investigation surrounded 3 members of the union leadership. There was what was considered to be a sham investigation into this overtime violation, and the 3 union leaders were summarily terminated from Mondelez. Well, finally, the union had enough with all this stuff and filed a petition with the NLRB contending a violation of the National Labor Relations Act. The National Labor Relations Act, and eight petitions were filed. They were consolidated into one case, and the NLRB heard the matter, and an administrative law judge found in favor of the union. Well, Mondelez wasn't happy with that, so they sought petition from the NLRB to the Seventh Circuit. And the Seventh Circuit heard the case and said, clearly there was a reflection of anti-union animus displayed by Mondelez, and the union does have power, does have a say, and should have been at the table when it came to altering the terms and conditions of employment, and certainly found that the overtime investigation that was allegedly done was a sham investigation. And the Seventh Circuit affirmed the rulings of the NLRB, which found in favor of the union. So a great victory for unions. This is Ty Hadarali. Be safe and be well.